Hi, my name's Crystal Forbes, and I'm going to be talking about the New York Urban and Rural Hospital dashboard, which is an interactive dashboard about delivery and joint replacement procedures, looking at the hospital average length of stay and the hospital average total charges. We're comparing rural and urban hospitals in the state of New York. First, let's cover a couple of things. The filters at the top, the first one, you're able to select a specific DRG depending on which procedure you'd like to explore further, or you can select all, and that will include the data for all procedures throughout the entire dashboard. And for this example, we're going to stay on all. You're also able to filter by year, so we're able to drill into 2011 through 14, and we're also going to stay for all for this example. And the color for the dashboard, the legend is here at the top right, and this indicates the color for the entire dashboard as well. So the specific visualizations, we're looking at the hospital average length of stay. We're comparing the rural hospitals and the urban hospitals against the state average. And then again, the hospital average total charges, the rural and urban. And we're able to drill down if you want to look at specific hospital performance for each. Now, another interesting feature of this dashboard, you're able to look at the number of procedures, rural versus urban. And if you want to look at a more detailed, you can drill down to the specific month. If you're only interested in, let's say, September 2012, you select that, and you can filter average length of stay and charges, and you'll be able to see all the urban hospital performance for average length of stay and total charges for the September 2012. By clicking, you can unselect that. So let's look at hip joint replacement in the year 2012. As you can see, by selecting these two filters, we've filtered the entire dashboard for hip joint replacement in 2012. You're able to compare the rural versus urban length of stay, and then the total charges. And then you're also able to see the number of procedures. And clearly, urban hospitals are performing more of these procedures, but the average length of stay is about the same, which is all over the state average. And then the total cost for most of the hospitals, it's about the same. And then you have an increase at Ellis, which is increasing the state average. If you have any questions, please let me know, but this is the dashboard to explore New York urban and rural hospitals for delivery and joint replacement procedures. Thank you.